So we are going to talk about what are best bank PO coaching institutes in Hyderabad city. So if you are looking to prepare for a banking examination, it is very important that you choose the right institute because only right institute can help you in preparing well for banking examination. There are lot of bank PO coaching institution in Hyderabad. The reason why lot of banking examination aspirants got confused, like how choose best coaching for banking examination out of so many coaching institutes, and the reason why you should check the research of the websites like our education, instituterank.com, bestcoaching.app. Today, we at our education are going to tell you what are best coaching institute for banking examination. Please watch this video till end to finalize the best bank PO coaching in Hyderabad. You are seeing the ranking of the institutes in Hyderabad, and you can clearly see that at rank 1 position is Plutus Academy, and I am clearing you here only that Plutus Academy is Delhi based coaching offering bank PO, government job examination training, SSC coaching in Hyderabad, and this is the most recommended coaching for banking examination preparation in Hyderabad. Then comes Andretti Banking, and then comes Banking Services Chronicles, then comes Indian Academy, and then comes Race Bank PO coaching. Prepare for banking examination in Hyderabad. Most recommended coaching is Plutus Academy. The only reason is Plutus Academy Coaching Institute is giving very good support to the students in the Hyderabad location to prepare for SSC Bank PO examination. And for complete government examination preparation, be it the SSC Bank PO, Plutus Academy is top-notch institute. It is holding rank 1 since last 7 years. Only reason is the institute is Delhi-based institute first of all, and secondly, the support study material test series offered by Plutus Academy is very good as far as the real government examination paper is considered. The kind of test series, the study material offered at Plutus Academy is with the current trend of SSC Bank PO examination. If you want to contact Plutus Academy, you can contact on this number 8123002808. Next best bank PO coaching in Hyderabad is Andretti Banking Coaching Center, another well-known institute for banking examination training. Andretti Coaching Institute is reputed coaching in Hyderabad, and this is the location. Next come Banking Service Chronicles. This is third most recommended coaching for banking examination preparation in Hyderabad. If you want to prepare for banking in Hyderabad, this coaching institute can be your third choice. BSc, that is Banking Service Chronicles. You can contact Banking Service Chronicles on this number. These are the complete details of Banking Services Chronicle. Alright, and then comes Indian Academy for competitive examination preparation, and this is the address. Race Bank PO coaching is in the 5th position. Guys, what I will be doing, I will be giving you the research report of our education, because this research report data you need to check in full-fledged manner, right? Because the thing is, you prepare for banking examination or any government examination, this research report keeps on changing, right? So you need to be updated with this research report. By the time, like, I'm making this video now, by the time, like, after 1 year, 2 year, maybe there can be the ranking fluctuation, because this research report keeps on getting changed. So please must check this research report. It is the link of the same is in the description. Thanks for watching this video.